Here's Davinci Resolve version 18. I open, let's say, that wheel and I change something here, and if I press the save button, then it will close the window. Now, how to apply the settings that I just modified here without closing this window, because we have just a cancel and a save button and no apply button. Well, you can apply the changes and don't close the window if you hold down the Alt key on the keyboard. So Alt, hold that down, and meanwhile press the save button. I cannot show it, both of them. So I'm pressing the Alt key and pressing save. And notice the save button grayed out. The window is still there and it's not closed, but the changes were applied because those black margins disappeared from there. So the Alt key plus the save button is your apply button.